Welcome back. It's another beautiful day, day number 25th of 100 Days Challenge. Today we're going to look at specifically classes that are making the whole Bootstrap to be Bootstrap because we need to understand that. This is very important based on the few factors. Number one is if we understand the classes, we can be able to do a lot easily because I'm sure if you have observed since we started, I've been copying the code and pasting in my editing environment, which is not going to continue like that because not everything you want to do is already done by Bootstrap templates. So you will need to know these classes, even the basic classes that can assist you to do exactly what you want. So with that, that's why we need to dive into it and be able to see which classes are we going to need at which level, but also in which way we are going to use those particular classes. And just to mention, today is also meeting the Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone across the globe. It's beautiful that we are doing this video on the Christmas day, and I'm sure you are enjoying your Christmas wherever you are. Yeah, and I'm enjoying making my video today. All right. So our main goal here is to look at basic classes that we can use. One of the key classes that we should know, the classes that assist in dividing or breaking the layout. Because container is used a lot as the main class to carry a lot of other things within it. So we should know how does it work and in which way we can use it, where and how. The class container, which has no 7 out of 12, we are remaining with 5, which means that in order to have two columns, which one starts with 7, then another column should be 5. And this will fit well into this particular space. And the same as, let me go back to my 5 here, I should add that div of 2. Like if I can change here to the 1, 1, 1, I can say only this has to be 1 when the column, the device actually is large. So if the device is large, then let column be 1. Otherwise, take the rest of the part. So this introduction makes now more specific that okay, when when the screen is small, behave this way. When the screen is bigger, behave this way. So you see, I'm making it bigger. They know now I can be 1. But when I make it small, they say, no, we can't be 1 at the small level. I will change all of this to make sure that you understand the responsiveness where it comes from. And this is where a little bit start to confuse because you need to know what do you want at the end of the day. How do you want it to look like? You want it to look 4 in the mobile, but 2 in a tablet and the 3 in a computer. You define that by saying specifically large, small, medium. Yeah. With this now, you see here I'm saying large. Now, because I didn't say medium or small, then they have taken the 100% because that has not been mentioned. I can also say, okay, but B column, medium, I need them to be 3. Take a 3. So let's take this 3 as whenever the size of the screen is medium. And I'll do that here also. So all the call will be MD3. When it's small, it's take 1. When it's medium, it's take 3. Call MD3. Call MD3. MD3. If I change here, this is small. This is medium. You see the medium is taking now 3 because 3 is here. That's a medium screen. If it goes small, it takes 100% because it's targeting only the big screen to be braked to 111. This responsiveness is done by following the class names, and then you'll be having all the responsiveness that you want. Thank you very much. In the class part, I think that's one of the things that we are supposed to cover, and there's a lot to look at in that. But one more thing that I mentioned is when we don't specify the column. If I say here, so if I don't specify there, it's taking 100%. But look, if I say, okay, I'll add div dot call 3. So the column 3 has been given the last part. And the col is doing is waiting whatever space that has been not taken by any column to be part of it. So let's say if you wanted to make a content fill the place, you use this particular class so that wherever the space that is remaining, let this particular element cover whatever is remaining. What you can give this, but the rest of the part that is not taken, give it to me. I'll use it. Yeah. So this is how the call make it easier. Thank you very much. I think it has been so great to be so far to this level, and we are continuing. Tomorrow we are going to observe another good page, and we want to understand what it does and how we can use it. But before I leave, I will really jump here and there to make sure that you remember to look at the gutters, which are padding between your columns, and they are very important for responsiveness. You need to know them because they give the space between your columns, and they make sure that you want the space that you want. If you want the space between your columns, then that's what you can use to create that. You know how to use small, medium, and large to divide your space, but also you can use padding. Padding is P and then a dash number, how many you want to pad and how big. And the gutter is to give the specific key division within GX. You say, okay, I want to have maybe 5 spacing between columns and column. Yeah, so this is how you do. All right, thank you very much. Until next time, remember to share, subscribe, and comment. This is how we do it.